everyone. Today we have with us the Smart Bracelet M5 and we are going to check out the features of this device. So on this side of the box, as you can see, it supports Facebook. It can calculate the steps for you. It has got rich motion pattern. It supports WeChat, calls, etc. and displays content on your screen. It has also got the sleep gate automatic monitoring. So that's pretty much about the features. Let's quickly unbox it. So firstly, we've got the watch holder over here. As you can see, this is the placeholder for the main unit and this is our strap. And as you must have noticed, this is made up of silicon. Moving forward, let me show you the main unit that we have right over here. Let's remove this thing off, and as you can see, it is showing the time right now. It has got a button in the middle which you can press to switch through the different modes and features that we have on this watch. Next up, we have the charging dock. So all you need to do is plug your watch inside of it, just like that, and then you can plug in the USB. And last but not the least, we have the user manual over here. That's all, folks. This was all about the Smart Bracelet M5. Thank you so much for watching the video.
Introducing the Y68 smartwatch in black color. This smartwatch sports a large 1.3-inch OLED touchscreen display. The smartwatch is IP67 waterproof. This smartwatch is powered by a high-capacity battery that lasts 24 hours and 30 days on standby. The watch features a heart rate monitor which allows users to monitor heart rate data at all times. With its speedometer, users can track steps, distance, calories burned, active minutes, and sync daily activity and time on the display or the app. This smartwatch also comes with a sleep monitor. Users can also receive notifications to see calls and messages, receive and reject calls. They can check calendar, SMS and SNS such as Facebook and WhatsApp notifications too. It comes equipped with Bluetooth. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.